Hey there YouTube, Alana here from teachtraffic.com, and in today's video I am going to show you how to create and set up a Google Tag Manager account. But before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss a future episode. So let's get stuck in today's video, which is showing you how to set up and create a new Google Tag Manager account so that you can really easily upload tracking codes to your website. As somebody who's run an agency in the PPC world for a really long time, Google Tag Manager is a tool which saves me a lot of headache of dealing with lots of different web developers for all my client accounts. So I highly recommend you use Google Tag Manager. You can use it at a very basic level, or you can really hone your skills and use it at a very advanced level. And it's actually pretty easy to use. So here we are in, so I've just basically did a Google search for Google Tag Manager and it's brought me here. So I have a Google account already, so I can just sign in to Tag Manager using that same login. So I just do sign in to Tag Manager. And what we're going to do is, this is going to bring up all the accounts that are under this login. So that's all fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new account. So I'm going to create account and I'm going to call it a name. So I'm going to call it Jatty Wraps. The country is, I'm in Australia. And I do have to set up a container. So I'm going to go www.jattywraps.com and it's to be used on the web platform. Click create. Yes to the service agreement. Cool. So it's really that simple. I've created the Tag Manager account, but in order to finalize the setup, what I need to do is I need to install this code. So 2 lots of code here onto my website. Now, there are plugins that you can use if you're using WordPress to install the Tag Manager code, in which it's going to ask you for this GTM number. Personally, I don't like using plugins because they can slow down your website. So just take this code, put this in as it says in the header, and that's this whole script in the head section and this in the body section, and there you have it. There you have created your Tag Manager account. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and if you have liked this video, I really appreciate you to like and maybe even comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on other videos.